Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the Artis S9 2.0 USB multimedia speaker. It's a pretty large box. You can see from the photos over here what the speaker is supposed to look like. The speaker comes with wired volume control and enhanced low frequency effect. This is a multimedia speaker, which means it is supposed to be connected with a PC or a laptop. We have some specifications here. The output power for these speakers are 3 watt per speaker. And every speaker has a 15mm driver in it, and the frequency response is 60 Hz to 20 kHz. Do we have any more information? And that's more or less it. Let's open this box and take a look inside. There you have it. This is what the speakers look like. It has a very sleek design to it. There are 3 different kind of materials here. So you have this matte black finish over here, then this glossy black strip, and over here you have this transparent material as well. Let me give you a closer look. There you can see a transparent material right at the edge of the speaker. Makes it look very classy, very futuristic even. And there you can see the speakers have the speaker moves as well when you touch it. It's quite large for a speaker. It looks small, but it's actually not. It's quite chunky in fact, but it's surprisingly lightweight. There is a angular stop underneath which makes sure that the speaker doesn't skid or slip. What else do we have? The Artis logo is obviously very visible right over here, so there you can see. Let's take a look at the cable quickly. This is a pretty long cable. This is at least 1.5 meter long cable, and over here we have a volume rocker. There, see, give it a title look. This is your volume rocker. And as is standard with most multimedia speakers, at the end of this cable you will find a 3.5mm jack and a USB-A connector. And that's it. This is what you find inside the box containing the Artis S9 2.0 USB multimedia speaker. Thank you for watching.